Welcome to Strategies for Clinical Team Building. This session is dedicated to one of the most vital elements of the healthcare excellence, the clinical team. Healthcare systems face increasing pressure from cost and access to transparency and safety, but solving these issues doesn't always require more money or equipment. One simple, powerful strategy: teamwork. This chapter explores the value of teams in healthcare, offers practical strategies for building high-functioning clinical teams. Humans are social. We work in groups, live in families, and play on teams. But a group isn't the same as a team. A group might share space and tasks, but a team shares purpose, goals, and accountability. Think of it like this: a team is small, usually 2 to 12 members. It has complementary skills, a common purpose, and mutual accountability. Teamwork is the behavior that makes this work: coordinate, interdependent, and dynamic. In healthcare society, where pressure is high and time is short, teamwork is critical to success. Teams don't just happen, they evolve. According to classic research, teams go through 4 stages. Forming: members get to know each other and understand their roles. Storming: conflicts emerge, differences must be managed, not avoided. Norming: shared rules and cooperation develops. Performing: the team functions smoothly, aligned with a shared goal and a purpose. Good leadership helps teams progress through these stages efficiently. Team formation must be intentional, not hopeful. Successful teams require the right size and mix, feedback system, clear roles and goals, organizational support. Types of teams vary. In healthcare, most effective clinical teams are self-managed, focusing on shared decision-making and mutual respect. A healthy organizational culture supports team success by modeling teamwork values, recognizing team achievements, promoting mutual respect and communication. Leadership is everything in team building. Great leaders establish clear structures and distribute responsibilities based on skills and development needs. Empower others, create space for team members to contribute ideas and make appropriate decisions. Address tension constructively while maintaining relationships and a team cohesion. Recognize achievements to build morale and reinforce successful behaviors. A team leader doesn't just give orders, they set a vision and bring people along. Effective clinical leaders balance task management and relationship building. Both are key for high performance. They model collaboration while maintaining accountability needed in healthcare. Teams succeed when members understand their roles, communicate effectively, accept feedback, respect shared goals. Teamwork competencies must include trust, adaptability, conflict resolution, and situational awareness. Most importantly, team members must put patients first, with humility, professionalism, and a shared commitment to care. In a chaotic emergency department, despite excellent clinicians, staff were burning out. The new emergency director introduced teamwork as a new approach. By developing trust, structure, and shared goals, the emergency department transformed from disorganized to a high-performing department. This case study shows how leader built an effective clinical team by establishing structure and psychological safety. Successful teams use tools adapted from aviation and high reliability industries. Examples include SBAR, which is Situation, Background, Assessment, Recommendation. Checkbacks and callouts for verbal clarity. Desk script for conflict resolution. Step and cross-monitoring for situational awareness. Bundle training programs like Team Steps provides practical frameworks for implementing these tools in healthcare. Team building isn't easy. Obstacles include hierarchies and authority gradients, cultural gender barriers, poor communication, egos and resistance to change, creating environments where all voices matter. In many cultures and medical traditions, physicians are seen as sole decision makers. Without checks and communication, this can stifle teamwork and lead to errors. The solution? Mutual respect, shared leadership, and an environment where anyone can speak up for the good of the patient. Rotating decision authority and reflecting helps clinical teams overcome hierarchies and improve patient care. Teamwork isn't just nice to have, it is essential. One done well, teams improve, patient safety, job satisfaction, staff retention, better clinical outcomes. But effective teams don't happen by accident. They require leadership, planning, cultural support, ongoing development. The future of medicine depends on working together, not just as an individual, but as teams. Healthcare leaders who develop collaboration skills will navigate challenges and deliver exceptional care. Thank you for joining us in our session, Strategies for Clinical Team Building.